Now, also the most common, which was the one for me specifically, was harm-related OCD. Now, this can be harm relating to if I don't clean and pass on a disease to someone, then I'm guilty. Especially in the COVID pandemic, that's become a situation of if I don't do this, then this could give my mum COVID or whatever. So then there's this obsession with trying to make sure they're completely clean within a certain boundary range that they've set, an imaginary boundary range of safety. Okay, so let me give you an example as well with all this. I was just talking just now, as you saw on that in the bathroom, about washing my hands. Now, I've just washed my hands with that soap, doing the exposure, and I can feel my hands are really dry now, really dry. But during that period with contamination OCD, no sensation in the hands, OCD could hijack. It will just tell you, no, the hands are dirty all the time, infection, passing on a disease. That can be anything. That can be linked to anything that the individual is scared of. So they may be scared of passing on bodily fluids. They may be scared on passing on blood, sexual fluids, anything that they can do that. And then they will be obsessively, compulsively trying to prevent that from happening, to ensure that they keep within these parameters of safety which they've outlined in their head. Now, what all of this involves is you've got the harm, you've got there's the yuckiness feeling, there's the general misunderstanding of cleanliness, of I need to be this level of clean to be content, to be safe, and so on. And that can develop through different beliefs that they've held or families held and so on, and that's come into course. Exposures obviously gets under the whole compulsive element, so breaking all that down. Then the internal sensations and understanding why they're doing it is the next part where we have to look at it rationally, because often they will have done a lot of ERP, cut all that out, but still feel a yucky feeling, a disgusting feeling, an anxious feeling, a chronic guilt feeling. And we need to get into that to look at that and to break down why that isn't what they think it is.